afternoon, everyone. Dear
Good afternoon,
students,
sir.
this is the first time we are organizing such a wonderful workshop for you all on the behalf of Adult Tinkering Lab Yotmal and School of Scholar Yotmal. With the collaboration of this RoboFreaks, we are organizing robotics induction program for you all. And in such wonderful session, we have with us Mr. Paresh Sahare sir with Sarang sir. I really welcome you all in this particular session, and without taking too much time, I will just hand over this session to you all. Please, sir.
Thank you, sir, for
Thank you, sir.
the introduction. And we are really glad to be doing this workshop in collaboration with SOS and Atal Tinkering Labs. So I welcome you all again. And before starting the session, I just want to say that this is not your normal lectures. Okay, so I want the session to be as interactive as possible. Okay, so you can unmute yourself when in any time in the session, or you can put anything in the chat box and we will be surely replying. Okay, so this is the robotics induction program, and the aim of this program is to like give you basic understanding of what is robotics and what all is needed to learn robotics. Okay, so we can't just dive into robotics on the first day. We need to have some basics. So we will see what all steps are there to learn robotics in this short presentation. Okay, so this was a very small demo of what all RoboFreaks does. So we are a group of engineers and who aim to like teach robotics to every nook and corner of the country. Okay, so many of you already know us, but again, I'll introduce ourselves. We are RoboFreaks, a group of engineers, and we are willing to teach game development and robotics to young children like you. Okay, so currently, game development, robotics, and coding are only limited to the adult audience, like the one who are in engineering or who are doing some sort of degree. But this is not something which should be limited to just the big age group people, right? ये ऐसा कुछ है जो सारे बच्चे कर सकते हैं. So with the same, we are creating many courses under RoboFreaks. So moving forward. So we started by creating a website called robofreaks.com. In this website, we are going to host many courses on game development, robotics, and like programming and whatever is required for learning this field, for mastering this field. Okay, and we have already conducted many workshops on game development and workshops on robotics. We have taken hands-on sessions and competitions in various schools and colleges. Which we are also willing to take for your school also whenever it reopens, right? Okay, so ये session हमारा robotics के ऊपर होने वाला है. So we should know what robotics actually is. So before I give the definition, I want someone from you guys, you students, to tell me what you understand of robotics. Okay, आप लोग को क्या लगता है robotics word सुन के? What do you understand? So either unmute yourself या फिर chat box में लिखो. What do you mean by robotics? Anyone?
Sir, can I?
Yeah, sure.
Sir, we can say robotics is a type of is a branch of science which deals about some machines or some technological works which are meant to ease the human life.
Okay, great. This is one of the like key things of robotics, easing human life. Okay, हमारे day to day task को कैसे robots आसान बनाते हैं, कैसे machines आसान बनाते हैं, those are robots. Any other definition? Any other thing you understand from robots? Or what picture comes in your mind when you hear the word robot? Okay, मैंने अभी बोला robot. So what is the first picture that came into your mind? or what is the first name that came into your mind? Like
Sophia.
what? Sophia, yeah. Anything else? Automation. Someone says automation. Great. Arduino. Okay, so someone is familiar with Arduino also. That's great. Okay, I'll show you a small clip. Okay, to the ones who are not familiar with the term robotics, मैं आपको एक छोटा सा video दिखाता हूँ, and then we will see the actual definition of what robotics is.
Hey Vector, play with your cube.
That's 1-0 to the Autobots. But is Asimo as good at saying?
Talk. Engage.
Okay, so that was fun. अभी मैं मतलब सबसे सिंपल सवाल तो होगा, आपने इनमें से कौन से रोबोट्स को पहचाना? Okay, just write in the chat box which all robots did you recognize. Like I can say one for sure, Iron Man. सबने Iron Man को तो पहचाना ही होगा, right? Anki robot, oh nice.
ट्रांसफॉर्मर्स.
ट्रांसफॉर्मर्स. ओके, तो आपने वीडियो नोटिस किया होगा ऊपर रील और रियल करके लिखा हुआ था. ओके, सो फ्यूअर रोबोट्स व्हिच आर यूज्ड इन मूवीज and fewer robots which are present in actual life. Okay, so the actual life robots were also really advanced, right? उनको देख के ऐसा बिल्कुल लग नहीं रहा था कि they are very simple to make or something like that. Asimo, nice. Captain America is a robot. Captain America is not a robot, right? Vidan. Boston Robotics wala robot, yep. So Boston Dynamics is a company which is really forward in robotics. Okay, they have I guess the most advanced robots on the planet right now. So let's see. Okay, so I guess आप लोग को थोड़ा idea आ गया रहेगा that what robots are, right? I know this is not enough to make a robot, but we should have an understanding of what we are going to learn. ठीक है? So I'll be asking few questions. Like there will be pictures shown on the slide, और आप लोग को एक given timer में answer करना है that whether that photo is a robot or not. Okay, so everyone just open your chat boxes and आप लोग को 15 seconds के अंदर answer करना होगा that whether the shown picture is a robot or not. Okay, so let's see कि आप लोग को कितना understanding है robots का. ठीक है? Okay, is everyone ready? Just type ready or something in the chat box so that we can start. No, just switch back, Paresh. Okay. Yeah, just type ready, everyone. Okay, so I think most of you are ready. Just keep your chat boxes open and try to answer as fast as possible. Okay, I'll be showing a picture and a 15 seconds timer. Let's see who gets the most correct answers. Okay, let's start. Okay, anyone recognizes this? Okay, and if you think it is a robot, then अगर आप लोग उस robot का नाम भी बता सको, then it would be awesome. Yeah. 5 seconds. Come on, no one has written in the chat box anything. Which robot is this? Is this a robot or not? Okay, if you say it is a robot. Okay, anyone knows the name? कि इस robot का नाम क्या है? Boston Dynamics वाला another robot. Okay. So Boston Dynamics शायद स्कूल में भी बहुत famous हो गया. I thought only engineers know about Boston Dynamics. Okay. Okay, most of you said it is a robot. Let's see. We will declare the answers at the end. Let's see the next picture. Is this a robot? And what type of robot it is? If it is a robot. Yes, no. One Shailesh said no. Yatharth said no. Okay, the one who are saying yes, do you know what type of robot it is? And the one who are saying no, can you tell what this is? Okay, so it's a mixed answer. Yes, it is a Roomba type robot. Okay, few of you are well versed. Oh, few know the name also. Okay, so we got mixed answers. Few said it is a robot, few said it is not a robot. It's just a machine. Okay, someone said it's just a machine. Artificial intelligence. Okay, so all these popular terms are famous in your school also. That's good to see. Yeah. Okay, let's move to the next picture. We have like 5 or 6 more photos to show you. Okay, is this a robot? इसका नाम तो सबको पता होगा. I want everyone to write the name of what they are saying in the picture. What this is? A drone. Okay, but is drone a robot or not? Okay, so almost everyone said drone. No. Maximum answer is no. Few said yes. Okay, so I'll go with no. Okay, drone is not a robot. Okay, it's a machine. Okay. So whoever is saying it's a machine, I will be asking you later to turn on your mic and explain me what is the difference between a machine and a robot. Okay. Okay, let's move to the next. To carry medicine box. Okay, let's move to the next picture. Is this a robot? Yeah, fast. Yes, it is a yes. Okay, so majority said yes, few said one said no. A robotic hand. Yes. Okay, so the majority is yes. But what a robot is? What is a robot doing in a kitchen? Have you seen a robot in a kitchen ever? Okay, we'll answer later. Let's move to the next, please. In movies, okay. Okay, is this a robot? No. Okay, mixed answers again. Okay, so time up for this one. Used to ship products. No. Okay, so many said no. Let's move to the next one quickly. Is this a robot? Okay, इसको सब लोग yes बोल रहे हैं. क्यों इसको yes बोल रहे हैं? ये भी तो पिछले वाले रोबोट जैसा ही दिख रहा है, तो उसको no क्यों बोला था? Okay, so majority says yes. Actually, everyone said yes, no one said no. So robotic hand, I guess, बहुत famous है आप लोग के इधर. ठीक है. Let's move to the next photo. It's having AI. Surgical robot. It's imagination. Okay, what is this? And is it a robot? No, yes, no, yes. What type of robot it is if it is a robot? The people who are saying yes. No, no, no. Okay, so majority is no, but few know the name vacuum robot, home cleaning machine, cleaning one. Okay. Vaccine. How is this vaccine, Vaibhav? Okay, let's move to the next one. Is this a robot? And can you name it? Like, what does it resemble? किसके जैसा दिखता है ये? Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So the audience is really good. Like, I like the way you students are answering the questions. That's great. Like tank, walking robot, but it does not have leg. Yatharth, how is it walking? Like Wally. Okay, nice. Tank. Okay, tank and Wally. Yeah, these two are like, I guess, the most closest answers. Wally जैसा भी दिखता है ये और tank जैसा तो है ही. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Do we have a next one? Yeah. So we have two more photos. Quickly answer. हाँ, ये वाला थोड़ा confusing होगा, I guess. What does it look like and what is it trying to do? No, everyone said no. Wow, that was unanimous. It is a machine and it is a serving machine. Serving. Okay, yes, no. Serving. Okay. Making food. Okay. Okay, cool. Let's move to the next one. So everyone said no for this one. Okay. I'll just keep that in mind. What is this? And if anyone can tell what it is trying to do. This is the last one, I guess. Yeah. Yes. 3D printer. Okay, you guys know 3D printer also. To make circuit boards. Create a computer part to make motherboard. Nice. The students are really great at answering the questions, sir. 3D printer. Okay, that was a good response from you guys. Okay, let's see the answers, like which one of these were actually robots and which were not. 3D printer. Okay, if you say 3D printer, if you say circuit, and guess what? All of these images were robots. Okay, now does anyone want to do a debate on why it is not a robot? Like, few said that the which picture? Yeah, the second picture, bottom second picture was not a robot, and the last picture was not a robot, and fourth picture was not a robot. This is what the students said. Okay, anyone wants to debate on why that those are robots or why they think that's not a robot? Come on, turn on your mic. Simply turn on your mic. I'll explain why they are robots.
Sir, can I?
Yeah, sure.
Sir, the robot are whom that not need any control of human. They can think from themselves, and machines are those which need control of human. Example, the
Okay.
drone. It is controlled by remote by human.
Okay, and what about the dog in the bottom left part? Is it completely autonomous? Do you think it's a robot?
Sir, which?
The bot at the bottom left, like सबसे लेफ्ट वाला जो बॉट है ना, सेकंड रो में पहला बॉट.
Sir, if it is controlled by human, then it is a machine.
And
If it
yeah.
is automatically, then it is a robot.
ओके, सो यू मीन कि जो भी ऑटोनोमस है, जिसका खुद का इंटेलिजेंस है, वो रोबोट है, एंड रेस्ट आर नॉट रोबोट्स, राइट?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is actually a debateful topic. Okay, Nishit is saying that not a debate, but please explain why. It's good to debate, knowledge बढ़ता है. Basically all machines are robots, says Ayush. Okay, so when the session started, we said that robots are something that ease the life of human. ठीक है, हमारा काम आसान कर देते हैं ना. ये था ना हमारा स्टार्ट में, जो सेशन स्टार्ट हुआ तब ये एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया था हमने कि robots are something that makes human life easier. Okay, now if you see all these pictures which I have shown you just now, first one is a cleaning robot, and then there is a drone delivering something. Then at the last picture you can see कि वो कुछ तो सामान उठा के go down में इधर से उधर रख रहा है, and then there's a robot working in a kitchen, and then there's that 3D printing or circuit robot which you guys said, circuit machine, I'll call it machine for now. Okay, so what are these machines doing? हमारा काम आसान कर रहे हैं ना, है ना? They need to be controlled, they need to be programmed, but once programmed they will do everything on their own, right? अभी जैसे वो cleaning वाला robot है, we will have to feed instruction कि you will have to clean this part of the room, but after giving those instructions it can do it on your own. ड्रोन को भी हम लोग जब रिमोट से कंट्रोल करते हैं तो ऑल वी से इज गो फॉरवर्ड, गो बैकवर्ड, गो लेफ्ट, गो राइट. ओके, बट गोइंग फॉरवर्ड it does by its own, right? We don't like हाथ से तो लेके जा नहीं रहे, it is moving on its own, it is controlling itself. We are just giving command to move forward, backward, and that can be automated. Okay, that process can be automated. We can program that it needs to go forward 10 kilometers, then go left 5 kilometers. Okay, so that is why we are calling all these photos, all these machines as robots. Okay, so whatever makes your life easier, whatever makes a human life easier, that is nothing but a robot. Okay, now there are technical definitions which we will show on the next slide. Yeah, so the most technical definition which we could find on the internet is a robot is a machine designed to do a specific task which is either very repetitive or too difficult and sometimes risky for a human to perform. ठीक है, repetitive मतलब क्या? Like cleaning a room. Okay, we wake up every day, we clean our rooms. Okay, this is a repetitive task and we can create a robot which can perform this task. Okay, so any machine which can perform this task is a robot. Okay, now too difficult, like what task will you call too difficult? Can you name any bot? Can you name any task which is difficult or risky for a human but not that risky for a robot? Chat box में लिखो. Any task which a human should not do but can be done by machine.
When a building is on fire.
When a building is on fire, correct. We can use machines to like water, supply water, or drones to put water in the building. And these are actual, like robots are present which do these things. Okay, anyone else? Come on, don't unmute yourself and speak.
For the army.
For the army, correct. So the army has one of the most sophisticated robots right now. Like we normal civilians don't use robots that much in our day-to-day life, but army and others like government segments use robots widely in their day-to-day work. Okay, so robots are like something which make our life easier. That's the simplest definition which is needed at this stage. Okay, so I think you guys can now segregate between what are robots and what are not robots. Okay, what are not robots? I'll call like a fan. Okay, that's not a robot, even though it's making our life easier by giving us air, but then again it's a very simple thing. Okay, it's not automated or anything, it's just rotating. It has one simple task. So it's actually a debateful topic. Let's move forward and understand why we need robots in our lives. Okay, why robots are important and why they will be really important in the coming future. Okay, so I have a question problem statement for you. We will try to solve this problem. Okay, so let's keep this interactive and imaginative. ठीक है, जितना हो सके उतना imagination use करो अपना. It's all right if it does not make any sense. That's not a problem. We need to just open our brains and think. ठीक है, so I'll introduce a problem statement. Now you can either quickly read कर लो इसको and then I will explain. ठीक है, everyone can see the screen, right? Yeah, yes, no.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So अगर आपका पढ़ के हो जाए तो बता दो. I'll explain in short कि what the problem actually is. Or should I read it out?
Sir, read.
Okay, okay, okay. मैं एक बार फिर से समझा देता हूँ. मेरा एक दोस्त है जो कि एक बहुत ही डीप केव में फंस गया है. ठीक है, और उसको अब बाहर आने का रास्ता मिल नहीं रहा है. ठीक है, the cave is obviously very dark cave है. ठीक है, and it is a really deep cave. Okay, so it is dark and oxygen तो होगा नहीं because it is very, very deep. So we need to find a way to search our friend and rescue him outside. ठीक है, and we don't want any human to be harmed. Okay, question समझा सबको? So is this like picture बन रहा है सबके दिमाग में? There is a cave, there is a person inside a cave, and we need to save him. ठीक है? Okay, someone say yes. Okay, now we need to save him and we need to think of a creative way to save him such that no human life is lost. Okay, because sending in humans is again risky because it is a deep cave, oxygen nahi hai, and what if the human himself gets trapped, right? So this is a completely imaginative, sab aapke imagination mein karo. This is not a real life situation. You can think whatever you want and I need answers. What should we do now and how should we solve this problem? Okay. So आपको किसी को भी बोलना हो तो you can either write in the chat box or unmute yourself and speak.
We can send the robot in the cave to rescue man.
Sorry, you're not audible. Someone is speaking.
We can send the robot.
We can send a robot, okay. But
Sir, may I?
Yeah, sure.
Sir, may I?
Don't ask, just speak.
Sir, we can send a navigator robot with a flashlight so he can find the person easily and can navigate the way back to out of the cave and make him rescue out of the cave.
Okay.
Sir, we
But-
can use an RC car which has camera over it.
Okay. Good. You guys are thinking in the right direction. Someone says send a robot which has a map of the cave and search him and then bring him to extraction point and then send a rope. Oh, this is nice. But let's make this a little more complicated. ठीक है, इतना easily हो जाए तो मजा नहीं आएगा. अपना imagination थोड़ा और चलाओ. अब मैं एक और प्रॉब्लम पोस्ट कर रहा हूँ कि आप लोग जब भी कोई डीप टनल में कार से जाते होगे तो आपका नेटवर्क लूज हो जाता है. Am I correct? कॉल नहीं आते, मैसेज नहीं आते.
Yes, sir.
We can make a battery-made robots.
Battery-made robots. All the robots are operated by some sort of battery or energy supply. So, yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, we can make a robot like that. If a wall comes, it will turn it and record it. So, so while returning, he can recall that here is a wall. So he can.
Okay. So मतलब आप बोल रहे एक रोबोट को अंदर
Ma'am,
भेजेंगे
sir,
and
we
वो पूरा
can say
मैप
we should
बनाएगा,
have-
right?
Yeah, we could say a robot should have a feature in which it could learn more things from the surrounding. It should analyze by itself.
Okay. Nice. I like your thinking. Any other answers? Okay. अच्छा चलो robot भेजेंगे हम लोग, ठीक है? Let's start with this. We are sending a robot. What type of robot? Should it be a wheeled robot? Should it be a drone-like robot? Or should it have legs like that Boston Dynamics wala robot? What type of
Wheeled
robot?
robot.
Say a plane,
Wheeled robot.
but should be
Plane
a wheeled
robot.
robot or a humanoid.
A wheeled robot or a humanoid? Humanoid, okay.
A drone.
Like a tank.
Like a tank, someone said a drone. Okay. Let's
So it depends on the surface of cave.
suppose the cave is
Sir.
like the worst possible cave you can imagine. Okay, it has lots of rocks and बहुत bumpy है and it is difficult to walk in that cave for a human also.
So the
Sir, so
drone
it
will
should
be
be a-
useless there.
Drone should
Sir, so it should be a
there.
transforming robot which can transform into a drone or it can walk on wheels. Transforming robot.
Okay.
It
Noted.
should be wheel robots.
Why should it be a wheeled robot?
For the rocks.
For the rock,
Off-roading.
off-roading wheeled robot. Okay.
So we can
Yes.
say the robot would also be able to leave the human being, or as if the human may hurt inside, so it should able to bring him by lifting him up.
Yeah. So
To have the enough strength. Means it should be created for all types of problems.
Okay, it should be. तो ठीक है, सारे problems को एक एक करके list down करते हैं and देखते हैं कि कौन से bot इसको solve कर पाते हैं. Okay. So drone का किसी ने बोला कि it's not possible to send in drones, and that's true also because we don't know how small the cave is. हो सकता है drone collides with the wall and it becomes useless, right? So we need something which is robust, okay, which does not like collide करने पे उसको कोई harm ना हो, so that it can safely come back outside also. And one more thing, हमारा network का issue है, so we cannot control the robot with a remote, ठीक है? So someone, किसी ने तो बोला कि we will send in a robot, make a map. Okay, so there are robots which can do this task. So his thinking is correct. We will need a robot with a map, or we will need a robot which can make a map by going inside. But again, उधर अंधेरा है cave में, so we will need a robot which can see in dark. So anyone knows how this can be possible? Yeah, one answer
Night
is flash.
vision camera or
Like
night vision.
By the night vision.
night vision cameras
Night
होते हैं,
vision.
okay. Yeah, there are also thermal cameras, ठीक है.
Yeah,
So
infrared.
what thermal cameras do is they don't need any sort of light. वो लोग सिर्फ आपके body से या फिर surrounding से जो heat निकलता है ना उसको detect करते हैं.
heat.
Yeah, heat and temperature, whatever you call. Okay,
So, but
so
it could
even
lead
if
to collision as there are turnings in the mind. It cannot
ठीक है, so
detect
हम
the
लोग कैमरे के
turnings.
बेस पे इस पे मैप बना रहे हैं ना. We will use the camera to make a map. ठीक है, उस मैप के अकॉर्डिंगली हमारे बॉट नेविगेट करेगा. ओके, if there is a wall in front of him, if there is a wall in front of the robot, we will ask the robot to change its path. ठीक है, ऐसा कोड करेंगे. Okay, and okay, suppose now we have somehow reached the friend. Okay, मेरे friend के पास robot पहुंच गया. But don't you think कि इतना देर cave में रहने के बाद my friend would also be exhausted and tired and hurt maybe. Okay, because there was no oxygen.
Sir, he also want oxygen.
Yeah, the friend also needs oxygen, so maybe we can send some oxygen tank or something like that with the robot, right?
Yes, sir. Oxygen cylinder or something.
Yeah, so after reaching my friend, I want the robot to be able to pick my friend and bring him outside rather than just reaching my friend and then sending in a rope, because my friend might not be in the condition to walk, right? So we will need some type of robotic arms. Yeah, will robotic arm be of any help? A robot having a bottle of water. Okay, we will send in every thing, like whatever is needed for his hydrating him or giving him oxygen. We will send in bottles and oxygen tanks. But in order to pick the human, we will need some sort of robotic arm. Okay, so I have my bot. It is either a wheeled robot or I think something like Boston Dynamics will also work. ठीक है ना, उसको पैर रहेंगे. Okay, will that be okay? The robot should be able to split water into oxygen. No, why? We can send in oxygen tank separately. No, this is Earth, not Mars, right? So we will send in oxygen tank and water separately. Am I not audible?
Yes, sir, you
Robot like the
are.
one in
Yes, sir, you are
Interstellar.
audible.
Okay, okay. So मैंने जो बोला उतना सबको लग रहा है क्या? This should work like a robot with either wheels or legs. ठीक है?
Yeah.
A camera which can see in the night, like night vision or thermal camera. ठीक है? A robot with robotic arms to pick my friend, and we will create a platform on the robot so that हमारे friend को हम drag करके उस पे रख ले, and the robot can drag him outside. Okay, the friend does not need to do anything. Cool.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Good. So this was a really like बहुत ज़्यादा advanced में discuss कर लिया हम लोगों ने. This designing such a robot is a really complex task. But again we understand why these robots are important, because अगर हमने humans को अंदर भेजा होता तो maybe the human might himself get into trouble, right? So we need robots, and this was a really big topic, but we need robots for small things also, for like repetitive things like washing clothes or cleaning house, you know. So this is why robotics is important and a really cool field to study, because इसमें brainstorming बहुत करना पड़ता है before you actually start to make the robot. तो मजा बहुत आता है ना? Like we enjoyed discussion or not? Did you enjoy this discussion?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Cool, cool. So
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
I also enjoyed,
Yes, sir.
and I think we are pretty clear that why we need to study robotics and why is it important in the coming future. Okay, but before studying robotics, there is certain path which we need to take, and a path for such young kids like you is going to be different than the path taken by engineers. Okay, so we have laid out a roadmap to robotics, which will be explained by Paresh sir. I will be calling him to explain roadmap to robotics, and then we will see a small game demo in this session.
Yes, thank you, Ayush.
Welcome, Paresh.
Yeah. So it was really great to see the enthusiasm among you. So now, since you know all the technologies and means you are well aware of the current technology, as Ayush said, we have laid a roadmap which will lead us to basic robotics, right? So I will start with it. Yeah, so you can see we have made 4 steps for this. First is the logical reasoning and problem solving. Second is game development using block-based visual programming. I will let you know in some moments that what is block-based visual programming. Okay. Moving forward, the third is introduction to robotics. That is the beginner stage, where you will learn all the theory and discuss everything, like as you discussed with Ayush, like a basic definition of robots, and as in some situation what kind of robots should be used. So you should know the theory behind everything, like uh, you should know sensors. You should know, like as you said, like thermal camera should be used. Thermal camera is a sensor, right? Some of you said that big wheel robots should be used, or something like that. So in order to know all this, or in order to figure out the correct way, or in order to make the perfect robot, you need to know everything. Like you should know all the basic stuff, like what sensors do, how many types of sensors are there, what are the uses of different sensors and all, right? So all this introduction and theory part will be done in this third step, that is introduction to robotics. Later on we have the hands-on thing, like the practical thing, right? You will be given kits, right? And by assembling that kits and programming that, you are going to build a robot. So like everyone is clear with the roadmap, right? You can type yes if you are clear. Yeah. The student asked me privately that, sir, block based means like the one in Scratch, is it? Yeah. So I will come to that. Don't worry. Moving forward, the first is the logical reasoning and problem solving. Uh, I guess I need not explain this. Everyone knows what is the meaning of logical reasoning and problem solving, right? So whatever you did just now with Ayush, that was problem solving. Like he gave you the situation that his friend is in cave and you have to rescue him, right? So what you did there was pretty amazing. You are, means I can say that you are good at problem solving for now. And after knowing more in depth about the robotics, you will be like, you will have more knowledge about that. Okay, so yeah, this is the one of the basic thing, like logical reasoning and problem solving. If you can't think, then you can't, means you can't build, right? If you have to think first for what you are building. Then second thing is block based visual programming. So everyone knows the meaning of programming, right? Can anyone say like what is programming?
So programming, we can say it is it is a type of code which we are coding that we want a sprite or we want a character to follow it.
You are talking about the Scratch, right? Character and sprite. But I'm talking about general programming, like what is programming?
Codes.
Sorry, say again.
We are making a type of program which should run like whatever we want, like the codes we have inputted.
Yeah,
Sir,
whatever we want, that should be done. Yeah, basically the set of instruction, that's the more correct way. So what we are doing is, since like robot is a machine, right? So intelligent machine in another language. So what is the task of robot is like, we need to think what should the robot do, right? And let the robot convey that what we are thinking. मतलब हम लोग चाहते कि robot should do this, okay? Robot should detect where the human is. For example, जैसा हमारा वो जो केव वाला रोबोट है, वो केव में चले गया. So मुझे चाहिए कि वो जो ह्यूमन है, अपना फ्रेंड है, उसको अपना रोबोट पहचाने, ठीक है? या फिर ह्यूमन है करके पता तो चले कम से कम उसे. So how to do this? So we tell the robot to do such tasks with the help of programming. Okay, we provide it some set of instructions that it uses to perform some task. Okay, so coming back to visual programming language, basically block based visual programming language, it is a programming language that uses graphical elements and figures to develop a program. So some of you might know the Scratch programming. I want to know how many of you know Scratch programming. among these 40 students? Just say yes.
A little bit.
Yes in
Sir,
chat
I
box.
know another
Yes.
one. I know another one, sir.
Which one?
Sir, HTML, Hypertext Markup Language.
Okay. That is not a visual programming language, but it is programming language. It is used to do another task. So basically, programming is used in every field in the sense like there are a lot of programming languages available और सभी के टास्क अलग अलग होते हैं, ठीक है. तो जैसे इसने कहा कि like there is HTML is used to develop web pages, ठीक है. जो भी आप वेबसाइट जाते हो, विजिट करते हो, तो जो फ्रंट एंड दिखता है आपको, फ्रंट एंड इन द सेंस जो आपको सामने का जो विजुअल पेज दिखता है ना, दैट इज एक्चुअली कोडेड इन HTML, ठीक है, द लेआउट ऑफ इट, ठीक है. फॉर एग्जांपल देन यू हैव जावा,
JavaScript, Java,
Python.
Python,
UL, then
Windows
CSS.
5, sir.
CSS, I heard CSS,
Python.
Python. Again, don't repeat, just say the other one.
Oops.
Kotlin.
So
Oops is not a programming language. It is a concept.
Go language,
Go language, right?
Turbo C++.
C++. Not exactly Turbo C++, but C++.
Swift,
Swift, right?
C, only C language.
Only C language. Yeah, that's correct.
C
That's
Sharp,
it. C Sharp. Yeah. खत्म हो गया? I thought you know more languages. MATLAB, you can say yes. Yes.
Sir, Python.
हाँ, Python हो गया. So let me tell you one fact that there are more than 100 programming languages. Okay. So and everyone has their different tasks. ठीक है. तो मुझे बताओ अगर इतने सारे programming languages है तो like which one should we use? और what is the मतलब इतने सारे programming languages बनाने की जरूरत क्या पड़ी? ठीक है. Can anyone tell कि इतने सारे programming languages बनाने की जरूरत क्यों पड़ी?
Sir, to perform different types of tasks.
Different types of tasks, yeah. So basically every programming language has their own speciality. ठीक है. सब लोग अपने अपने काम के लिए स्पेशली डिजाइंड है. जैसे किसने जावा बोला तो जावा से वेब एप्लीकेशंस क्रिएट होते हैं, एंड्रॉइड एप्स क्रिएट होते हैं, ठीक है. कॉटलिन बोला उससे भी एंड्रॉइड एप्स क्रिएट होते हैं. HTML से वेब पेजेस क्रिएट होते हैं. पाइथन इज यूज्ड इन वेरियस टास्क, ठीक है. अगर ये रोबोटिक्स आगे परस्यू करते हो आप, ठीक है, अगर डेप्थ पढ़ते हो तो Python will be required. Okay. So all these programming languages are like they have special tasks to perform. ठीक है. So one of the programming language we will see that is Scratch. ठीक है. तो हम लोग विजुअल प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज में स्क्रैच सीखने वाले एग्जैक्टली. Okay, so I will show the content what exactly there is in visual programming language in Scratch basically. तो पहले तो इंट्रोडक्शन टू स्क्रैच होता है, मतलब उसमें बेसिक्स कवर होते हैं. देन सेकंड इज फंडामेंटल. इट मींस आप जब कोड करते हो ना तो यू कोड यूजिंग ब्लॉक्स, मतलब ग्राफिकल ब्लॉक्स दिए होते हैं आपको, ठीक है. यू रीअरेंज दोस ब्लॉक्स एंड डेवलप योर ओन लॉजिक, ठीक है. कैरेक्टर डिजाइनिंग एंड एनिमेशंस, then advanced Scratch code blocks. You will know all these things slowly. We will come to that. Then realistic motion and introduction to physics. Can anyone say that what is the requirement of this realistic motion and introduction to physics?
So we can say that these are needed so that our program or our image or whatever it is, it could analyze at what speed he is going. He should come to that whether there is an obstacle in front of it.
Yeah. So basically physics मतलब उसमें acceleration आ जाएगा, gravity आ जाएगा. तो अपने अगर सपोज आप लोग गेम बना रहे हो और गेम का तो मतलब रूल्स ही है ना कि रियल लाइफ से सिमिलर होनी चाहिए, ठीक है। तो वैसा एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करने के लिए आपको फिजिक्स की जरूरत पड़ेगी। तो फॉर एग्जांपल
ray
ग्रेविटी।
tracing.
यस आयुष।
Ray tracing.
Ray tracing is a fairly new concept. Okay, we'll discuss it at the end. Just remind me about the ray tracing. So for example physics हम लोग देखे, ग्रेविटी देख लेते ना। ग्रेविटी, अगर आप गेम बना रहे हो, ठीक है, बॉल गेम बना रहे हो, वो तो सुना ही होगा आपने कि लाइक कोई चीज ऊपर जाती तो नीचे तो आनी चाहिए, राइट। ग्रेविटी शुड वर्क। तो अगर अपने गेम में ग्रेविटी नहीं होगी तो अपना गेम रियलिस्टिक कैसे बनेगा? So all this I must say that all these fundamentals of scratch means scratch blocks, with the help of those we can create this kind of realistic motions and means physics stuff, ठीक है। और ये सब अगर आपको आ गया then you can create a game. Okay, so this was the visual programming content. Next we will move forward. So now I will hand over the session to Miss Munal, who will explain you some of the details of the Scratch. Just give a brief overview of the Scratch. Okay. So Munal, please continue.
Yes. Okay. So पहले हम लोग देखते, जैसे अभी मिस्टर परेश ने हमको बताया कि स्क्रैच के बारे में हम लोग थोड़ा सा देखते हैं। तो जब भी आप कोई नया चीज सीखते हो तो पहले आपको जान लेना चाहिए कि उसका यूज क्या है। ओके, दैट मीन्स एप्लीकेशन। सो हम लोग स्क्रैच के एप्लीकेशन देखते हैं पहले। स्क्रैच यूज करके हम लोग स्टोरीज बना सकते, एनिमेशंस बना सकते, जैसे सबसे मेन एप्लीकेशन है इसका, गेम डेवलप कर सकते, जिस पे हम लोग अभी फोकस करने वाले। नेक्स्ट वन इज रोबोटिक्स, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक। एंड लास्ट वन इज मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन। ओके, यू कैन बिल्ड इट यूजिंग स्क्रैच। खाली इतने ही नहीं है इसके एप्लीकेशन, और बहुत सारे, बट मेन फोकस जिस पे है तो ये 4। ओके, ये हो गया एप्लीकेशंस। अभी हम लोग स्क्रैच का इंटरफेस देखते हैं। मतलब हम लोग इसको बोलते हैं स्क्रैच एडिटर। ओके, इसमें आप लोग को दिख रहा है 5 विंडोज है। हम लोग 1 बाय 1 उसको देखेंगे। मैं सीधा अभी स्क्रैच एडिटर पे जाती हूँ। ओके, यही आपको दिखा था वो इमेज में। ओके, तो हम लोग देखते हैं अभी। राइट हैंड साइड में बॉटम में जो भी विंडो आपको दिख रहा है उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं स्प्राइट विंडो। ओके, कुछ टाइम पहले एक ने बोला था स्प्राइट और कैरेक्टर के बारे में, ठीक है। उसके लिए ये विंडो है। स्प्राइट एक्चुअली होता क्या है? कैरेक्टर। जैसे हर स्टोरी में, हर गेम में कोई तो एक कैरेक्टर होता है, वैसे सेम अपने इस स्क्रैच में कैरेक्टर होता है अपना। ओके, आप लोग मल्टीपल कैरेक्टर भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते यूजिंग दिस लाइब्रेरी। यहाँ पे आप लोग देख सकते हैं बहुत सारे स्प्राइट्स है। यू कैन चूज एनीवन। ओके, आई विल चूज बैट। ओके, नाउ यू कैन नेम इट ऑल्सो, यू कैन एडिट इट्स नेम। फिलहाल कैट का नाम है स्प्राइट 1। ओके, आई विल एडिट फ्रॉम हियर। ये बस आपको इंट्रोडक्शन होने के लिए कि आप ओवरव्यू क्या मतलब एक्चुअली स्क्रैच दिखता कैसे है क्या, उसके लिए, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट वन इज पोजीशन। अभी ये कैट का पोजीशन है 80,-10 एक्स एंड वाई पोजीशन। ओके, अगर मुझे इनको सेंटर में लाना है तो मैं इसको सिंपली 0 0 कर दूंगी, ठीक है। ये अभी पूरे विंडो के सेंटर में आया है 0 0। अगर आपको इसको हाइड करना है तो उसके लिए ये वाला ऑप्शन है, हाइड एंड शो, both we can do. You can change its size, like I'll make it 300. Bum, it got very big, and I'll decrease also. Sorry. Okay, I'll keep it normal 100. And last one is direction. फिलहाल ये right hand side में अपना इसका front side right में है. We can rotate it using this arrow key, or simply you can edit angle over here, or you can flip like this, and if you don't want to rotate it, simply choose this option. Okay, this was about it. And next one is backdrop. इसका backdrop यानी background। फिलहाल इसका background पूरा white है। जैसे हम लोगों ने इधर से sprite choose किया था वैसे same you can choose any backdrop। अभी हमने देखा जो भी चेंजेस मैं यहाँ पे कर रही थी, ये विंडो का यूज करके कर रही थी स्प्राइट पे, वो सब आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा था। ओके इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं स्टेज विंडो, यानी आप जो भी कोड करोगे उसका आउटपुट आपको ये वाले विंडो में दिखेगा, स्टेज विंडो या आउटपुट विंडो। अभी आपको कहाँ पे आउटपुट दिखना है वो पता चला, आपको इस पे कोड करना ये क्लियर है, बट कोड करना किधर है, उसके लिए ये वाला विंडो है मिडल वाला। ओके इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं कोडिंग एरिया। इस वी कैन कोड इन दिस एरिया using this blocks. This is one more window, you can say coding window. ओके यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ब्लॉक्स आपको दिख रहे हैं डिफरेंट कलर्स में, इन सब ब्लॉक्स का यूज करके आप लोग कोड कर सकते हो। सिंपली यू जस्ट हैव टू ड्रैग इट एंड ड्रॉप इट हियर। ओके और लास्ट वन इज एन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दिस ग्रीन फ्लैग एंड स्टॉप बटन। अभी यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है गो लिख के आया, गो यानी यू कैन स्टार्ट और यू कैन means if you click on this green flag your game will start, and if you want to stop it just click on this red button, very simple. Okay अभी मैं एक छोटा सा गेम बना के दिखाती हूँ आपको। ठीक है बैट हमें चाहिए, गेम कैसा बनाना है वो मैं पहले आपको दिखाती हूँ, जस्ट गिव मी सेकेंड। ओके तो ये गेम हमको बनाना है, ये बैट रैंडमली कहीं पे भी स्लाइड हो रहा है और मेरे कर्सर को फॉलो कर रहा है ये वाला बॉल, जहां भी मेरा कर्सर जा रहा है वहां पे ये बॉल आ रहा है। अभी मेरा कंडीशन ये है, जब मैं ये बॉल मेरा ये वाले स्प्राइट को टच कर रहा है, अगर मैंने तभी स्पेस की दबाया तो ये वाला बैट गायब हो जाएगा और मेरा स्कोर बढ़ेगा। ओके गायब हुआ स्कोर 1 हुआ, स्पेस दबाया गायब हुआ स्कोर बढ़ा, सिंपल। गेम समझा सबको क्या करना है?
यस मैम।
ओके अभी हम लोग देखते हैं पहले से कैसे करना है। आप लोगों ने देखा वहां पे बैकड्रॉप था ये गैलेक्सी वाला, अपने पास एक स्प्राइट ऑलरेडी है बैट का। ठीक है फटाफट हम लोग बैकड्रॉप चेंज करते हैं, बैकड्रॉप लाइब्रेरी से गैलेक्सी नाम है उसका, ये वाला बैकड्रॉप लिया, बैट का साइज थोड़ा कम करते यहाँ से, और एक स्प्राइट था वहां पे एम करने के लिए, उसके लिए हम लोग ये बॉल लेते हैं। ठीक है मुझे नाम यही रखना है, इसका बैट और इसका बॉल। ठीक है अब जब मैं बैट पे क्लिक करती हूँ तब आप लोग यहाँ पे देख सकते हो आपको बैट का सिंबल दिख रहा। ठीक है और जब मैं बॉल पे जाती हूँ तब यहाँ पे बॉल दिखता है। ठीक है पहले हम लोग बैट पे कोड करेंगे। बैट क्या कर रहा था, जैसे मैंने ग्रीन फ्लैग पे क्लिक किया वैसे बैट स्लाइड हो रहा था, रैंडमली कहीं पे भी हो रहा था। ठीक है पहले वो करते हैं, जैसे मैंने बताया ग्रीन फ्लैग क्लिक करने के बाद गेम स्टार्ट होगा। ठीक है उसके लिए हमारे पास एक ब्लॉक है इवेंट में व्हेन ग्रीन फ्लैग क्लिक। अभी ये ब्लॉक से नाम से आपको पता चलेगा कि ये करता क्या है। व्हेन ग्रीन फ्लैग क्लिक, जब व्हेनेवर आई क्लिक ऑन ग्रीन फ्लैग तब क्या करना है, बैट को ग्लाइड करना है। ग्लाइड यानी मूव करना है, तो मूव हर एक मोशन के लिए हमारे पास एक मोशन ब्लॉक है। ठीक है अभी यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है ग्लाइड नाम का ब्लॉक। ठीक है ये क्या कर रहा है, 1 सेकेंड में ग्लाइड कर रहा है रैंडमली कौन से भी पोजीशन पे। ठीक है मैं एक बार ये रख के देखती हूँ क्या होता है। नाउ आई क्लिक ऑन ग्रीन फ्लैग, वो ये स्लाइड तो हो गया बट एक ही बार हुआ, हमें क्या चाहिए हमेशा के लिए ये स्लाइड होता रहे। ठीक है उसके लिए कंट्रोल में हमारे पास एक ब्लॉक है फॉरएवर यानी हमेशा के लिए ये वाला स्टेप वो फॉलो करेगा, हमेशा के लिए ग्लाइड होगा 1 सेकेंड के लिए रैंडमली। हो रहा है, दिखा सबको? हेलो
Yes, ma'am.
ओके सो हाफ पार्ट इज कंप्लीट नाउ। अभी हम लोग बॉल के लिए देखते हैं। ओके बॉल क्या कर रहा था, कर्सर को फॉलो कर रहा था, जहां पे भी मेरा माउस का कर्सर जा रहा था उसके पीछे ये वाला बॉल आ रहा था। ओके और कब, जब भी मैं ग्रीन फ्लैग पे क्लिक करूं तब से। ठीक है वापस व्हेन ग्रीन फ्लैग इज क्लिक्ड। और हाँ अब क्या कर रहा था, बॉल मूव हो रहा था, मतलब क्या हमें मोशन ब्लॉक में जाना पड़ेगा। ठीक है मोशन ब्लॉक में हाँ इसके लिए एक और लॉजिक है, जैसे लास्ट टाइम आपको बताया कि लॉजिकल रीजनिंग एंड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग। ओके तो यहाँ पे आप लॉजिक यूज कर सकते हैं। लाइक अभी मेरा माउस का पोजीशन फिलहाल मैं सेंटर में रखती हूँ, माउस का पोजीशन क्या है 0,0। अगर मुझे बॉल को फॉलो करने लगाना है तो बॉल का पोजीशन भी वही होना चाहिए जो मेरे माउस का पोजीशन है। ओके तो अब वही फॉलो करते हैं, गो टू x, y और x और y का क्या होना चाहिए, मेरे माउस का पोजीशन। तो वो मुझे मिलेगा सेंसिंग ब्लॉक में, यहाँ पे माउस का x पोजीशन मुझे चाहिए, ये बॉल का पोजीशन, और माउस का y पोजीशन चाहिए मुझे बॉल का y पोजीशन। ओके, अभी मैं रन करती हूँ। बॉल तो एक ही बार मतलब पीछे आया, अभी तो नहीं फॉलो कर रहा। तो मुझे ये भी क्या चाहिए, फॉरएवर में, हमेशा के लिए ये होता रहे। इसीलिए मैं वापस फॉरएवर ब्लॉक ऐड करती हूँ। यहाँ ये वाला स्टेप हमेशा फॉलो करे। अभी देखते हैं। कूल, नाउ इट्स फॉलोइंग माय कर्सर। बैट भी स्लाइड हो रहा है रैंडमली कहीं पे भी। ठीक है, अभी लास्ट वाला कंडीशन। अभी क्या चाहिए, जब मेरा बॉल बैट को टच करे और तभी मैं स्पेस की दबाऊं तो ही बैट हाइड हो जाना चाहिए। ठीक है, ये अपना कंडीशन है, और ये कंडीशन वो हमेशा के लिए चेक करेगा। वापस whenever I click green flag, then forever में वो कंडीशन चेक करेगा। क्या, अगर मीन्स if क्या चाहिए, दो कंडीशन चाहिए। if bat is touching to the ball, और सेकंड कंडीशन क्या है, अगर तभी मैंने स्पेस की दबाया तो बैट हाइड हो जाना चाहिए। बट अभी if में तो एक ही कंडीशन जाता है मेरा, ये दूसरा वाला कंडीशन भी सेम टाइम पे फॉलो होना चाहिए ना। तो ये दो कंडीशन ज्वाइन करने के लिए हमारे पास ये ऑपरेटर का ब्लॉक है, और इसमें ये एंड वाला। एंड क्या करता है, मुझे ये भी कंडीशन चाहिए और ये भी। एंड सिर्फ ये होगी तो नहीं चलेगा, मुझे इसके साथ ये भी होना चाहिए। ठीक है, तो इसीलिए एंड यूज किया। और अभी क्या चाहिए, बैट हाइड हो जाना चाहिए। हाइड के लिए लुक्स में हाइड। ओके, अभी खेल के देखते हैं। मैं अभी क्या हो रहा है, मेरा बॉल बैट को तो टच कर रहा है, बट मैंने अभी तक स्पेस की नहीं दबाया, तो ये हाइड नहीं हो रहा। ठीक है, एक ही कंडीशन फॉलो कर रही मैं। अभी मैं उस पर जाती हूँ और स्पेस की दबाई, गायब हो गया। बट ये तो वापस नहीं आ रहा, तो मुझे क्या करना चाहिए, इसको हम लोग थोड़ी देर के लिए वेट कराते, 1 सेकेंड के लिए हाइड ही रहेगा और फिर वापस शो होगा। ठीक है, शो। अब देखते हैं, लेट्स रन नाउ। यहाँ पे गई, स्पेस दबाई, गायब, वापस आया। यहाँ गई, स्पेस, गायब, वापस आया, गई, स्पेस। ठीक है, समझा सबको ये? हेलो?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, ये बहुत ज्यादा
Yes.
छोटा गेम था, बट हम लोग बहुत बड़े बड़े गेम्स यूज कर सकते हैं, बट ड्यू टू टाइम और आगे वर्कशॉप जो लेने वाले, वहाँ पे आप लोगों को बेसिक से पूरा एडवांस तक लेके जाएंगे। ओके, सो दैट वाज इट। नाउ आई विल हैंड ओवर दिस टू मिस्टर परेश। हेलो?
थैंक यू मुनाल।
आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू से कि इतने कम लाइन ऑफ कोड में हम लोगों ने एक अच्छा खासा गेम बना लिया, जो अगर आप लोग कहीं और से कोड करके करने का ट्राई करते देन इट वुड हैव टेकन अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम। तो स्क्रैच से ये चीज बहुत सिंपलीफाई हो जाती है ना, एंड तो हम नहीं बना पाएंगे।
या एंड जस्ट टेल मी वन थिंग कि कितने लोगों को फास्ट लगा, ऐसा कुछ लगा किसी को, और somebody did not understood? हाँ, जस्ट डोंट वरी कि अगर किसी का फर्स्ट टाइम होगा देन आल्सो डोंट वरी, बिकॉज हम लोग जस्ट एक ओवरव्यू देने का ट्राई कर रहे थे, बट सिंस वी आर वेरी शॉर्ट ऑफ टाइम, 1 ही घंटा मिला था हमें, एंड सिंस वी आर ऑलरेडी एक्सीडेड 10 minutes, तो we'll just take another 10 minutes max and we'll wind it up, right? So moving forward, in September and October we conduct. अच्छा, RoboFreaks को कौन पहले से जानता है यहाँ पे? I would like to ask. Who is it? Me? Just type in costume, right? Or okay. Yeah, we have one Kaustubh Gulwade, which already knows us from I guess last 3 months. तो बेसिकली हमने 3 months पहले, like in September and October, we held a scratch competition on our website. तो उसमें हम लोग क्या किए थे, यूट्यूब पे वीडियोस अपलोड कर रहे थे गेम्स के. यू हैव टू मेक दैट गेम एंड सबमिट इट टू अस. ठीक है, तो हम लोग देख रहे थे कि किसकी क्रिएटिविटी एंड लॉजिकल रीजनिंग अच्छी है, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वी गेव रैंक्स. ठीक है, तो आई विल जस्ट शो यू what they did. Means as you know, Kaustubh was with us from last 3 months. Okay, so what they did in that competition, so I will just play a short video where you can see.
Once again, thank you, RoboFreaks.
Okay, so everyone saw that video, right? Did anyone recognize someone there? There were a lot of your friends. Yeah, Kaustubh. So I will just show you within some weeks what he did. Just quickly show you. Achha, everyone able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is the game by Kaustubh, your friend Kaustubh. So what this was, I guess, week 2 or 3 game that he made. I will just play it. So did anyone understand what the game was?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So you can see how compact a game you can make. मतलब कितना difficult game आप बना सकते हो अगर आप scratch अच्छे से सीख लेते हो तो. ठीक है. Coming forward, I will just share the PPT again. So till now we covered 2 points. That is, first one was logical reasoning and problem solving. The second one was visual programming language. So that was Scratch. third one was introduction to robotics, where you will learn all the theoretical stuff that I told. Means the information about all the sensors, wheels, batteries, and everything. Then at the fourth step, we will come to the hands-on thing. Okay. So you know the roadmap for the robotics journey. So we are starting the robotics journey for you guys. So I will introduce you the first workshop that we are taking, that is game development using block-based visual programming, basically Scratch. ठीक है, तो हम लोग Scratch में workshop में क्या क्या cover करेंगे? Here it is the content. That is first is introduction to Scratch, then fundamentals of Scratch code blocks. Maybe आपको थोड़ा समझ आ गया होगा कि what are code blocks, because when Mrunal made the game of that bat, तो उसमें उसने बहुत सारे कोड ब्लॉक्स यूज किए. सो यू बेसिकली अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट कोड ब्लॉक इज. ठीक है. कैरेक्टर डिजाइनिंग एंड एनिमेशंस, तो वो गेम में लाइक कैरेक्टर वाज द बॉल एंड अनदर कैरेक्टर वाज बैट, राइट. तो उनको डिजाइन कैसे करते हैं, एनिमेशन कैसे करते हैं. देन एडवांस कोड ब्लॉक्स, दैट इज यूजिंग रैंडम ब्लॉक्स, वेरिएबल्स वगैरह. देन एडिंग ऑन रियलिस्टिक मोशंस, ग्रेविटी, एक्सेलरेशंस वगैरह, मतलब गेम में फिजिक्स इंट्रोड्यूस करना. एंड एट द एंड, आफ्टर नोइंग ऑल दिस स्टफ, you can create a game, right? Okay, so this was the thing, like we are taking the first workshop on game development, right, where you will learn the Scratch programming in depth. What you will gain from this workshop is basically this, as usual, the certificate of workshop. Second, it will be live workshop. Third, you will know the means you will know the Scratch programming very well after that. And fourth is it will take you more closer to our robotics journey. Okay, so at the end of the workshop, Scratch programming workshop, you would have achieved a milestone in the journey of robotics workshop. ठीक है, मतलब आपके एक्चुअली 2 milestones क्लियर हो जाएंगे. The first one is okay. Anyone have any doubt regarding this?
Sir, how to follow this workshop? No, sir.
You will be given instructions regarding that.
I think Satish sir
means,
will be
on the group
updating all of you students in a week or two कि ये workshop कब conduct होगा and what will be the timings and everything. So don't worry about that. Just remember that what all we are going to learn in the workshops and how we are going to proceed. So we will be starting with Scratch as Paresh said, and then we will be moving on to robotics in the further workshops. Okay, सब एक दिन में नहीं करेंगे, धीरे धीरे step wise. Maybe in a month or two we will complete the whole series. Okay.
Yeah.
But only if you guys enjoyed the session. Okay. So अगर आप लोग को मजा नहीं आ रहा है या फिर you did not find it that attractive, then maybe you won't find it attractive in the coming workshops also. So I hope this workshop was like entertaining and knowledgeable for you all, the students.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, how can we download?
So you don't need to download. देखो हमने ग्रुप में एक लिंक भेजा है, scratch.mit.edu करके. चैट देखो, चैट में एक लिंक है, या हमारा जो व्हाट्सएप का ग्रुप है ना, उसमें भी हम लोग ये लिंक डाल देंगे. एनीवन कैन जस्ट पुट अ लिंक टू स्क्रैच वेबसाइट ऑन दी चैट, व्हाट्सएप चैट. आपको कुछ हाँ, आपको कुछ भी डाउनलोड करने का जरूरत नहीं है. सिंपली क्लिक ऑन दैट लिंक, आपको क्रोम का एक टैब खुलेगा और उसमें आप सीधा प्रोग्रामिंग करना शुरू कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो नथिंग नीड्स टू बी डाउनलोडेड फॉर लर्निंग स्क्रैच.
सर आप व्हाट्सएप में भेज दीजिए प्लीज.
हाँ हाँ, आपको सब कुछ मिल जाएगा व्हाट्सएप पे, इवन द रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ दिस वीडियो ऑफ दिस वर्कशॉप. ओके, शूट योर डाउट्स है पीपल. रोबोट्स के बारे में कोई डाउट है, या स्क्रैच के बारे में कोई डाउट है, या समथिंग यू ऑलरेडी नो अबाउट स्क्रैच एंड यू वांट टू टेल. एंड टू एवरीवन हु आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ RoboFreaks, हमारा एक यूट्यूब चैनल भी है which is quite big. Okay, we have more than 1000 subscribers now, and one of our videos is reaching 30,000 views. Okay, thanks to the Code Carnival and students like Kaustubh and other students from the school. Okay, तो हम लोग हमारे YouTube चैनल का भी लिंक डाल देंगे. You can learn almost a lot of Scratch from that YouTube channel itself, but still learning in a workshop is a different thing. ठीक है. So any other doubts regarding this? We will be sending each link in the WhatsApp chat and Zoom के chat में भी डाला है, if you can see. So any doubt other than that? Sir, आपको कोई doubt पूछना हो हमसे या how we are going to proceed then, please.
Yeah, first of all, I really thankful you to your team also. Be Paresh sir, Ayush sir, and all the team members.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
They
for having me.
really explained very nicely this first part of the session. And this is the only first introduction part. That is what we started today. And in the future also we have more things to learn over here. Okay. So dear students, as you know that this is a very big things that we are learning, such a difficult task in a very simple way in this particular session. And in the future, like Kaustubh has done very nice work. I think he might have joined in the first step, na? Where we took
Yeah,
just
he joined in the first week itself, and he won.
yeah, he did very well. And I know that I was not knowing that he could have done such good things for us also. But now I come to know, and that 2-3 people that certificate they got in the previous session, that I only seen in the different groups. Yeah, but they did very wonderful thing. Query can ask in WhatsApp group also, or here also you can say.
Yeah.
And at last I really said thank you to all the RoboFreaks teams that they have given us such wonderful information and this creativity to you all. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for
Thank you, sir.
compliments. And yeah.
So any doubt,
So
guys?
we will be waiting for all your responses. Yeah, if any doubt, just hit them. Doubts right now might be little shy. कोई shy है क्या इधर अभी? After answering so many questions, I don't think anyone should be shy. Yeah. Okay, they are still not responding. Okay, so I think if you guys are not shy, then you are willing to do the future workshops, and we are hoping to see you all in the future workshops. Okay, and let your friends know who missed today's session, and we will try to share this recording with you all so that they can watch it whenever they get tired. Okay, and yeah, I think we can conclude now. And yeah, on one more note, this was an induction program. Okay, so this was not something meant to teach. Okay, we just wanted to introduce you with the terms. Like few of you knew Scratch, but most of you did not know Scratch, and many of you knew robotics, but still we did not know what it actually means. So this was just a basic introduction. In the future videos, हम लोग बहुत deep में जाएंगे. We will try to study a lot of Scratch, and we will try to see how Scratch can be used in robotics also. Okay, and whenever college or schools reopen, we will try to visit your school, give a live workshop, live sessions if possible, and if allowed by sir, of course. So we are really looking forward to giving these workshops and collaborating with your school. Okay.
Yes, sir. 1 minute, Rajveer, are you there? Rajveer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you please conclude this session with giving vote of thanks in this program now.
Sorry, sir, I didn't get you.
Give vote of thanks.
Okay, sir. So it was very nice session, and I hope all of us enjoyed it a lot. And thank you to all the teachers and all the the host who helped us and who took the initiative to let us know how this robotics and game developing works. And I'm very excited about how the sessions and the few upcoming classes would be. So it was very nice, and thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
Thanks a lot.
Okay. So I think we should conclude now, sir. Okay. We will be sharing the details and have a discussion with you later. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
thank you, everyone.
Thank
have
you.
a good day.
Thank you all.
Have a good day and Hope you all had fun. Thank you.